This painting is a testament to the sea's relentless energy. There is no horizon or serene skies, no picturesque stillness, only the raw, untamed force of water colliding with the land. Every stroke of palette knife mirrors the powerful rhythm of the waves as they surge forward and break against the shore in an internal dance of motion and energy. The sea is a place of power and mystery where humans and nature have long been drawn to its waves. Its waves are wild, relentless and unpredictable within their chaos. There is an underlying chaos. There is an underlying harmony, a rhythm that is mirrored not just by humans, but the creatures that call the ocean home. Among the most iconic of these creatures are dolphins, known for their intelligence and playful nature. Dolphins have long been associated with waves, often seen riding the surf alongside human surfers. They seem to delight in the same thrill that drives us, to seek the perfect break, effortlessly gliding along the crest of waves. But dolphins' connection to the ocean goes deeper than just play. In many cultures, dolphins have been seen as a symbol of protection, guiding the sailors to safety through treacherous waters, and serving as a reminder of the bond between humans and the sea. Other creatures too live in constant connection with the waves. Sea turtles, for instance, rely on the ocean's tides to guide them as they navigate the open waters for thousands of miles. Their ancient migration patterns are synchronized with the rhythms of the waves, and their very survival depends on the ocean's cycles. As hatchlings, they instinctively head towards the sea, following the pull of the waves. As if guided by an invisible force. The same force is inspired in the motion of this painting, the wave carrying the sea's energy. Further out in the ocean, whales breach and dive. Massive yet graceful, these gentle giants, like dolphins, are often seen riding waves, their immense bodies moving in harmony with the water. Whales have long been a symbol of the sea's mystery and vastness, creatures that glide effortlessly through the ocean's endless undulations. Their songs, carried by the water, are part of the ocean's eternal voice, A reminder that life beneath the surface is as dynamic and powerful as the waves crashing upon the shore. Even creatures smaller than the eye can see are swept up in the dance of waves. Plankton and tiny fish ride the ocean's currents, forming the foundation of the marine food chain. Their movements, though unseen, fuels the life of the ocean, feeding everything from the smallest fish to the largest whales. The waves are not just a surface phenomenon. They are the pulse of the entire ocean, a force that connects all living things with it. Humans have always been fascinated by the power of the waves. In ancient times, sailors revered dolphins and whales as protectors, guiding them through perilous seas. The energy of the ocean has been both a source of sustenance and inspiration. Take, for instance, the ancient Polynesians, whose entire culture revolved around the ocean. They used the waves and currents to navigate vast distances across the Pacific. Reading the water like a map, they saw the ocean as a living entity, its waves as part of a great cosmic rhythm that guided their lives, and much like the ancient mariners, surfers today ride the waves, becoming one with the ocean's power, finding joy and freedom in the movement of the sea. But beyond the thrill of riding the waves, there is a more profound connection between humanity and the ocean's energy. Today, we're harnessing the power of the waves in new ways. Tidal energy and wave power are emerging technologies that promise to provide clean, sustainable energy, drawing on the very same forces that have shaped the ocean for billions of years. It's amazing to think that the movement captured in this painting, the crashing waves full of drama and life, could one day power our cities and homes. As we've learned from the sea, creatures like dolphins, whales, and turtles. The ocean is not just a resource to be tapped. It's a living, breathing entity full of life and mystery. The waves that carry the dolphins in playful arcs or guide the sea turtles back to their ancient nesting grounds are the same waves that hold the power to shape our world, and in this painting, that energy is brought to life through oil paints and a palette knife, aiming to capture the sea's relentless motion. The background hums with the same primal energy, an echo of the waves' drama and force. It doesn't seek to depict calm skies and tranquil seas. Instead, it reflects the underlying tension and power of the ocean. A place where the water and land collide in a never-ending battle full of motion. And perhaps, as you gaze at the chaotic beauty of the sea, you'll feel the same pull that has drawn sailors, surfers, and sea creatures to the ocean for centuries. The waves, energy in motion, the force of nature that transcends time and space.